How to show Discord game activity on your phone. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be taking you to a step-by-step process on how you can easily show your game activity on Discord Mobile. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome or any browser you have and then just search for google.com. So and once you are on Google, you can just log into discord.com/login and log into your account. Once you are logged in, what you need to do is tap on this hamburger menu and access your settings by tapping on the gear icon. And from here, if you scroll down, you will see your activity settings. So just tap on activity privacy and make sure that you have turned this one on. You can share your detected activities with others. Make sure that you have toggled this one on. Close this out. In addition to that, what you can also do is tap on your profile right here and then add an custom status. So once you have done that, you can just add custom status. You can write anything. For example, I'm playing, let's say, Clash Royale or something like that. Tap on this clear after. You can choose the timer. You can clear it after 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 4 hours, or after 24 hours. And you can also set your online status. And after doing that, you can just tap on save and you will see this activity status on your profile. Your friends will also be able to see this. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.